While a push-to-open drawer normally doesn't have a handle on it, in this demonstration it's been installed on one that does. It's important to note that a push-to-open drawer closes just like any soft-closing drawer. It doesn't have to be pushed to close in the same manner that it does to open. Often people make this mistake and think that the drawer is faulty, when in fact it's working properly. If your push-to-open drawer still isn't inserting properly, removal is simple. Place your hands firmly on each side of the drawer and with a swift motion, lift up. Next, inspect the small rubbers located on the plates on the drawer sliders, ensuring that they're firmly in place. There are two plates, one showing L and one showing R, to ensure correct installation. Then, just check that your runners are working nice and smoothly. Before you reinsert a push-to-open drawer, inspect the mechanisms on the bottom. Again, L and R markings denote correct positioning. It also has a balancing bar that connects these bottom plates. This bar synchronizes the closing mechanisms. The things to inspect for are that it's screwed in here, as well as clipped in here and here. There is also a tension lever with 3 positions. This sets the amount of tension on the drawer mechanism. In other words, how much it will kick out the drawer. The setting you need will depend on the amount of weight inside the drawer. For reinsertion, place the base of the drawer onto the runners. A small wiggling motion will ensure that it's placed correctly, and you can feel that it's running smoothly. Push firmly until it's all the way closed. You should hear it click when everything is connected. If the drawer includes a cutout, you can reach behind and pushing the runners ensure that they're engaged. If the drawer doesn't have a cutout section, simply push down firmly on the rear of the drawer to ensure it's engaged. Now simply test for closing with a swift push.